Ciao, I'm Gabriele D'Annunzio. Welcome to the D&B Walkthrough Experience. Hi, today we're going to be talking about the dry cleaning process, how we clean garments, how we press garments. To me, when we get these garments, it feels like I like to put them through a spa experience. And when we go through the process, you will agree with me that it is like going through a spa for your clothing. And this is our tagging stations, meaning that we tag the garments with a safety pin so that it's nice and safe. So now the next process is when after the garments have been tagged by the girls up front, it comes back here and Albert sorts out the garments by colors and also fancy dresses and things like that, and checks every garment for stain. And we try to use all natural products. We try to eliminate as much of the hazardous chemicals as possible. And then we use the steam gun. The steam gun cleans out whatever chemicals we use, whatever spotting agent we use, and it removes it, and then he dries it, and then after the stain comes out, Albert will put it in the dry cleaning machine. This is our dry cleaning machine, a brand new from Italy. A beautiful machine, and we use Sensine solvent, which is an alcohol-based solvent. So this is we have no hazardous waste. This is a completely natural dry cleaning process. When the solvent comes through the machine, unlike the washing machine at home, which shoots out, the solvent goes around the side of the cylinder, and the garments get wet without having too much mechanical action. Just came out of the machine. Look, the white is just as white as it went in. Pinks. So it's a true spa treatment. These things come out and they're rejuvenated completely. This is our one of the pressing machines that we have. This is a really cushioned part here, and then we have a Teflon covered. So there's a misconception that the dry cleaning presses very hard and all that. This is so soft that we can sleep on it. Our presser will press it gently here, and that steam it's like having a nice little steam facial. They come out, they'll have a sharp grease, but being really pressed lightly. This machine will presses the shoulders and the collar. This is like getting a massage on your shoulders and neck at a spa. Now, this machine is used mostly for women's clothing. And it gets nice little steaming, and it comes up, look at that, no luster, no shine, and then we touch it up by hand. We always touch up by hand, when there are seams. This machine also has that well-padded spa-like bed, but the top is a semi-hot head press that it's used specifically for linens, cotton, and silks, where they need something a little more dry. See? Yeah. So by the ticket here that we did before, we match it and then we put it together. So the garment is, let's take this suit for instance, we put tissue in the sleeve so this stays nice and not flat when they get it home. So you can see how the collar is pressed nicely. You don't see the under collar. There's no wrinkles here. Here we are. The spa treatment is finished and the blouse has been rejuvenated. Now we'll bag it up and the customer will be happy to wear again. Thank you for spending some time with the D&B experience. If you enjoyed yourself, please take the time to like, share, and subscribe. Till next time, Remember, if it doesn't fit, it doesn't flatter.